Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here I am again with these guys. Yes, my voice is a little hoarse, but there's nothing I can't handle. So these didn't seem like a bad deal. Get 11 of them each set. The only thing this one skips 16, of course. That's how a lot of these companies get you to buy more sets. That includes a 5/8, which is basically a 16. But let me open them up. Open them up, see if they can cut me. Nope. Try that one. Try that one. I guess I've been learning, huh? No more cut myself recently. Oh well, what are you gonna do? But I wanted to compare them to, okay, there we go, to another set. Oh, it comes apart easy. That's okay. Here's the Stanley 15. Here's the standard Pittsburgh 15. The Pittsburgh Pro ratcheting wrench 15. Now, what I noticed with the Pittsburgh ratcheting wrench is that they're slightly different. Slightly. As you can see there. We compare this to the Pro. About the same exact. Regular standard Pittsburgh. The standard Pittsburgh is slightly smaller. Just like the standard Pittsburgh is slightly smaller than that right there. The Pittsburgh Pro. Which could be awkward. You're trying to fix something if it don't fit exactly. So maybe maybe the lesson here is to get Pittsburgh Pro, not regular Pittsburgh. So to be fair, here's this new Stanley wrench compared to the Pittsburgh 13. And yeah, it's about the same. Pittsburgh is slightly smaller. So let me try one more. Just to be fair. The 11. 11. This is live. 11 seems upon closer inspection. The 11 is slightly smaller too. I don't know. I'm regretting getting those Pittsburgh wrenches now. But anyway, back to the video. The standard fit and finish black chrome. If you want to keep using this case, just put them in here, apparently. Just lock them in, close it up. Not bad. So, compared to the Pittsburgh Pro, they're running the same size. Pittsburgh Standard is slightly smaller compared to the Pro and the Stanley. So, yeah. You might run into some trouble with fitting that on a nut. So if you're a pro, you do this for a living, maybe stay away from the regular Pittsburgh and get Pittsburgh Pro. Stanley maybe. I know that's kind of frowned upon in the professional field, but if that was me, I'd do it. I don't care. I'd bring my Stanley tools. I'd kiss my ass while I fix it. How about that? Anyway. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.